Sanidhya. So today's video is going to be about rice fermented water. So as you can see my hair, I have already used it and I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare rice fermented water at home. In my experience, so it's best because मैंने ये अभी it's a after 1 day result. So it really helps to regrow your hair. Also I've used in before 2 weeks, so I'm like, yeah, it's a good result. Also it repairs your hair with the split ends and pollution. It makes your hair strong, which is very important because if your hair is not strong, it always gives you a bad impact. It will take out all the nourishment and everything. So that is very, yeah, I'll teach you how to prepare rice water at home. Without any further ado, let's get started. So very first thing is that you need rice. So I've taken a rice in a bowl, and you can take any rice like brown rice or a white rice. I've taken a white rice. So I'm going to wash it first so that if any dirt or mud is there, so it should go out. I'm going to wash it 2 times. Then take any type of container, or if you have a jar you can take that and put all the rice in it and then fill it with water partially. After filling water in it, just keep it aside and mix it well. I've mixed it well so that all the nutritions, all things goes into water nicely, and keep it for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, as I saw, this is what is ready, and I'm going to boil it little bit, like only for 2 minutes, not more than that. So here the fermentation process is on, and as I can see, the rice is cooked well. So it means that all the nutrition and everything from rice is into the water now. And then go ahead with the process. Take out the water. Then take any bowl and a cotton. So I'm going to use this rice water in a bowl, as it stinks a little bad. It doesn't have good smell. So I'm adding a little bit of oil, which is almond oil. You can use any oil with a good smell. So I've already conditioned my hair nicely. Not to shampoo and condition your hair, only condition your hair because shampoo बालों को बहुत dry कर देता है, and again if you'll apply this, so it will get too much dried out. So just use conditioner and then go ahead with this. So here I'm mixing the oil and the water well, and just go ahead.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Also to the ends of our hair, because there what the split ends come from, and hair becomes rough, so I'm applying to that. Then after this, roll your hair and pin it up with clutcher or anything and keep it for 20 minutes, and then after that you can go ahead and wash your hair. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found it a little helpful. If you did, please do let me in the comment section. Also don't forget to like, share this video to all your friends who are maybe suffering from hair loss or something, And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the notification. See you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye.